Good morning, I'm Taylor Tyndall.
And I'm Austin Beardsley, bringing you the news for Thursday, March 14th.
Join the Minnows Swim Club, a competitive swim team. Tryouts are Monday, April 8th from 6 to 8 p.m. at the TKHS pool. Register for all participants is Monday, April 8th from 6:30 to 8 p.m. Club fee is $55. Practice starts April 10th through July 19th, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday nights. Practice time will be determined by the swimmer's ability.
If you are a junior and you have a senior brother or sister, we need you to be an honor guard for graduation. We need 12 honor guards. Please sign up in the office.
A representative from the Army National Guard will be in the cafeteria during lunch on March 18th.
Students, remember to turn in your second trimester textbooks. They are needed in third trimester classes, and you run the risk of paying around $100 for an unreturned textbook. Act quickly.
Science Olympiad practice is in Alex Robinson's room for the rest of the week. Regionals are this weekend.
If you are interested in KCTC's criminal justice program next year, the deadline for enrollment is this Friday, March 15th.
Attention band and choir members, money and permission forms for the trip to see Wicked are due by 2:30 p.m. on Friday. No late materials will be accepted.
Attention varsity and JV tennis players. Tennis will be inside both today and tomorrow at our normal indoor practice times.
John Ball Zoo is looking for teen volunteers in grade 9 to 12 to work at the zoo one weekend per week and one weekend day per month. Additional information is in student services.
A scholarship is available for employees or children of employees at Meyer. 2 $10,000 scholarships and more than 100 $2,500 scholarships are available. Information is available in student services or on the student services website.
Applications for the Tyler Bultema Jr. Memorial Scholarship are available through the February scholarship newsletter on the Student Services website. To apply, seniors must have at least a GPA of 2.0 and have applied to a 4-year college and/or community college or technical program.
Ferris State University offers summer computer camps in Grand Rapids. Get an idea of what it's like to be a computer animator or a game designer. Create your own app for a smartphone or tablet. Stop into Student Services for additional information.
Seniors, the Middleville Rotary Club will award 4 $1,000 scholarships to TK seniors. The scholarship is available to students that plan to attend an accredited college, university, or trade school who have a need for tuition assistance. Stop in Student Services for an application.
The Kent County Educational Association is offering the following scholarships: ESL Scholarship, KCEA Dependent Scholarships, and the Senior High Scholarship for all students with an overall GPA of 3.0 or higher. Applications are available in the Student Services or on the Student Services webpage.
And today for lunch is 2-for-1 open-faced Sloppy Joes. For TKTV, I'm Taylor Tyndall.
And I'm Austin Beardsley. Have a stupendous Thursday.